I decided to get a swim spa because my husband didn't want to go into a rest home. I love swimming, and so I decided I'd get a swim spa so I could swim all year round because I love a heated pool. I went online and I looked at different swimming pools and the different lengths, the different heights, and then me and my girlfriend jumped in the car one Saturday morning and we drove up to Auckland and had a look at them, and we decided to get this one. We were hoping to get it through the neighbour's place, but when it came to the crunch we couldn't get the pool through the neighbours, so we had to get a crane in. It was very exciting seeing it go over the house and how easily it was done and very quickly done. I look after a little girl, my niece, Kason, after school, and when we got the pool she would sit on the first seat and wouldn't move. Now she is just a duck to water and she just loves the pool and swims. We're trying to get her out of her safety jacket, but I'm slowly deflating it because she's quite capable of doing it, but it's just a safety thing or a security thing for her to overcome. Unfortunately, Westy had 2 knee operations, and in his rehabilitation I noticed that he would be taken to a swimming pool to be exercised, and so I asked the vet if I could put him into our swim spa. He said yes, and so I purchased a swimming jacket for him and we just put him in it and he loves it. I love the temperature of the pool and the jets and having the different seats that you can have a full massage or medium or a slight massage, as well as the jets to swim. The jets are great fun because we've got 3. Kason is quite capable of turning them on and off, but usually she likes one on and she usually likes jumping in it, and it just takes her down to the other end of the pool. And we like the jets on for massaging our shoulders, our backs, as well as we can have a lot of fun with the jets. Kason would probably use it more than us, but we always hop in with her anyway. I love it, absolutely love my swim spa.